It is late. We are hungry and we want to make a complete, easy and fast, good and balanced dish. Let's prepare a syrup bowl with the ingredients available in our fridge and cupboard. For the vegetables, we have Chinese cabbage, tomato, bean sprouts, tofu. For the protein, we can put an egg. We have a choice of noodles: glass noodles, rice noodles, or sweet potato noodles. For the broth, we have dashi, which is Japanese fish stock powder, and vegetable stock cube. To perfume the dish at the end, we can put cilantro, sesame oil, and pepper. The preparation is simple. Just cut into chunks the Chinese cabbage, the tofu, the tomato, and the cilantro. Boil 50 centiliters of water, then add the dashi stock, the vegetable stock cube, the Chinese cabbage, the sweet potato noodles, put a lid and let simmer over medium heat for 5 minutes. Put the tomato, the tofu, and 1 egg. Put the lid back on and let simmer for another 2 minutes. Finally, put the bean sprouts and let heat 1 minute. Serve in a bowl. Pour a few drops of sesame oil, some pepper, and the cilantro. The syrup bowl is ready. Bon appétit! I made this balanced dish in 15 minutes. This recipe is an example. You can choose other kinds of noodles, vegetables, protein and sauce. You just have to adapt the cooking times to the ingredients. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.